Bruh, how you sliding like this? You don't get pulled over?
Dude, at least once or twice a month.
For real?
At least once or twice a month.
God. So where you stay at? Fort Walton? Golly, bro. Look at this, bro. Look at the angles. How you leaning like this?
Ain't even that bad.
How you leaning like this, bro?
It ain't that bad.
Dude, got it been sitting on the tire, bro. Golly. And you say you get pulled at least once or twice a month? Golly. Man, bro. So how you sitting in the front?
Come here. Look at this.
What happened right there?
That's
He got birthmarks.
That's
coming
from
on
like
my
dragging
driveway.
and shit. Bro.
Swear.
Dragging on everything.
I got birthmarks everywhere.
Golly.
Any type of incline.
And these sixes?
No, fool.
They folds? Oh, okay. Hey, you got that bitch sitting though. Golly. Bro, you got this bitch maxed, bro. Can it go higher?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Way higher. I
Dang.
just gotta get.
So explain to me, like how what is this like? It's pro comp, like.
Yeah. So it's like a drop bracket lift. So I'm sure you have 3-inch. Do you have 3-inch spindles?
No, I got
top
stock
of your lift?
spindles.
See, bro, you can set that bitch way higher.
Yeah, that's what somebody told me. I
Yeah,
had some
you need-
4-inch spindles I thought about
so-
doing.
With the whole drop shit, like, so it drops it down just like yours does to use a stock spindle.
Right.
And then you put the 3-inch spindle on top, and that just fucking throws it up there. Because you can make a 3-inch spindle sit like a 6-inch to like a 7-inch lift on any truck.
Golly.
So you just take that and then throw it on top of a 6-inch lift.
Yeah.
Big.
So how you think you sit in the front, like at least 8, 9,
Probably like 11 or 12.
11, 12? Bruh, how do you get 14 inches of lift on this bitch, bruh?
That's a 7-inch drop. So it goes slightly bigger.
So the Fort Walton, did they like ban the squash shit, or like they just fuck with y'all? Yeah. Don't think it's gonna like affect your license. Like
Exactly.
it's not putting points on your license. It's not doing nothing.
They just want money.
Yeah, that's all they want. That's why
paying
you.
them.
Yeah, you pay it. You good. You pay it for that deadline. You straight.
I call it a monthly subscription to lean, bro. Basically.
Monthly subscription to lean, bro. That's how.
At the end of the month to pay them.
Yeah, that's how you gotta do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was put in cuffs in my house, bro. I was parked in my.
They put you in
driveway.
cuffs?
Yes, put me in cuffs.
Over your squatted truck?
Bro, look, I'll show you the video.
Wait, you got the video? Hold on, you gotta show me this, bro. Hold on.
I'm in my driveway, bro. That's my truck. That's my crib. I was already parked.
That's
in
the
cuffs.
You didn't even drive that day.
No,
You did?
I was driving. He was following me, but he never let me up.
He never let you
I kept
up.
going, turned around, and I knew he was about to.
So what was your charge or whatever? Like what they hit you for?
I didn't get charged, but it was because I told her, I don't think I need to give you my ID, bro. Because I mean, why would I need to give you my ID if I was already parked? He did not light me up. I
Yeah.
was parked in my driveway, and I was like way away from my truck. I was in
Oh
the middle.
man,
He was
bro.
trying to do bumper height.
Yeah.
Bumper height in the driveway. You could have been putting the lift on and then trying to put the back on for a little minute. You never know, like they. Golly, bro.
Go into the house to put the rear lift in.
Bruh. Hold up, bruh.
This was going on like 5 months now.
5 months?
Yeah, it did not look the way it was now. But got the McGoys, got everything painted, threw that motherfucker together for scraping.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was really just trying to make it for scraping, so really
Right.
put this thing together in say like less than 24 hours.
Dang,
No
so you put
cap.
lift on yourself?
Yeah, I had
You
him,
did? So
him.
you installed the lift?
Chase Merritt was there too.
God, at least so y'all installing the lift. I need to come fuck with y'all when I come out here to
Chase
Florida.
Merritt got me right.
Bro, these youngins out here really installing lifts for real, bro. That's crazy. Golly. So I seen it was bag. Is it bag?
Got it back. Got it back.
Y'all did the bag too?
Nah, it was already like that.
It was already like that? Okay.
Previous owner.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So does it sit on the tire bag or like?
I mean, if I was on 37s, I'm on 35s.
Yeah. Me personally, that's sitting on the tire. I don't care what nobody say.
Yeah.
I mean, what y'all think? I think that's sitting on the tire, bro. Like that's low. I mean, hold up. That's low. This is lower than mine, 'cause I still got a little baby gap. I need to let mine a little bit lower. So what size, you know what size bags are there? Like, really don't
I
know.
really don't know.
Yeah.
I'm linking the original owner of the
Truck.
Yeah, so I can really ask him anytime, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
About like what, like 3 weeks ago, somebody snagged my brake light.
Somebody stole your brake light?
Snagged my brake light, bro.
What?
And while I'm at the hotel, just noticed that my brake light is stolen.
Yeah.
5 cops pull up. They talking about, hey, there's a dreadhead guy walking around with a gun. I was like, what?
Whoa.
What's going on? I just got here, sir. What is going on? I'm worried about my brake light. It's a whole, what? Shit was wild.
You're so black. Bro, that's funny, bro. You're so black. That's funny for real.
Other shit. I want to get the butterfly doors on this bitch. Get
You gonna put the
starter
butterfly
seat
doors
up.
on
Put
there?
the butterfly doors on.
Butterfly doors on the squad truck. I ain't never seen that.
Play me some Pippin, man.
I never seen that. Yeah.
You're my sugar.
Okay. Let's go from the city that made you lay it down and make him hit the trunk. I project pack, can't keep no.
How many tickets you get a month?
I get a ticket like at least every time I get stopped.
Every time you get stopped?
But, I mean, that's if I don't already have a ticket. I really only get pulled over once or twice a month.
Once or twice a month? That ain't bad.
Don't get me for headlight height. Next time it'll be some stupid shit like unsafe vehicle.
So you daily drive it?
Yeah, every day.
This is your daily driver?
Every day.
Daily driving a squad truck.
Bro, he made his own fitment. Look at this.
I see that, bro. Like,
Fitment.
yeah. So is this your daily driver or you got another one?
Daily driving.
Daily driving?
That's why I'm glad I do got bags, because I have my son all the time.
Yeah. How does it feel day driving squad truck? What you think?
I mean, I don't got no problem with it.
You don't get tired of it?
No, I mean,
I got tired of mine. That's why I got me a
I wouldn't
car.
mind having a little car.
Yeah,
little car.
little
Something
trap.
to get by.
You gotta get y'all a little trap, man.
Yeah.
I do got a little like car like that.
Yeah, drive that. You probably less tickets. I mean, on weekends, I mean, you can't really stop that. But I mean, shit, I'll do that.
No, we don't make this song. One time, let's get it on. You ain't getting home, we don't get along. Broad day, what up? Full of 38, we blitz on the hit Mayday. Shit we seen and we can't say. I got shit put in that bag.
How you feeling?
I got shit put in my safe. I pay niggas to keep me safe, but I'm still gon' spray. Gotta play safe. Shout my niggas that made it spray. Shout my niggas that made it wet. And all my bugs spraying raid. Way played, way late. And we spraying wherever we go. He already sprayed, we ain't stayed. Mom nigga already was made. Rich as hell, already made.
Real geek boy, shit, I need a zombie girl. Real rockstar geek thug. Never go to sleep. Walk the world on geeked on G6. I keep a gun of 3. Walk niggas down, shoot with precision, nigga. Every time we come through scoring, we never miss a nigga. Free all the guys that never blanked up on the mission. Give a hot face shot, no FaceTime. Walk down in straight line, he ain't precision, ain't no.
I don't see how people drive it every day. Like, I swear, I really don't see how. I was sticking my head out the window, just even like, see. You a brave man. I can give you that. You a brave man. Be driving that every day. At least you got bags. You would be straight.
Please,
Dope, I sold, I robbed. I remember days I was fucked up trying to go and get a job.
welcome to Memphis world, nigga. Take some before we start. We don't wait the nighttime, we brought day song, get in the yard. Lay down, walk a nigga down, there's a theme song. I been in the streets since I was 13, they can't leave me wrong. JD it went to court today, I pray my twin beat him home. The judge got a free 30, if he don't, then we gon' send him home. Walk him down, put that shit on, put it out. Trapping is a habit, change my number, had to flip the phone. You trapping big like Mr. B, got motion, nigga don't need no song. Big body made back, this a bean, sit back, recline up in the chair. Nigga die but tryna make a song, give him the faggot, put in the air.
Go crazy.
Alright, y'all, so it's gonna be for today's video, man. What y'all think? Y'all think I should start back doing the vlog reviews on people trucks, bro? Y'all let me know in the comments ASAP, bro. I'm trying to get back into dropping more and more content for y'all. Work has been hella crazy lately. I love how y'all been buying the merch, bro. I got a Just Cruising hat on. Let me know in the comments what y'all think. This is just like a little demo just to see what it look like. It's the mesh trucker hats, as y'all can see. Let me know if y'all like these. Y'all like the other trucker hats I used to sell. But man, I don't know if I'm gonna use this font again, but I ain't gonna lie, like, this hat is really, really comfortable, bro. And a hella good job on the merch, bro. We've been selling out crazy, bro. Like, every time I put in a new batch, bro, we sell out. It's been going out, bro, crazy. Hoodies and windbreakers are coming up next. We got more jackets, we got sweatpants, and I ain't got the shorts on today, but we do got shorts coming in, bro. So y'all stay tuned, bro. It's dirty, bro. We're gonna slide back to that rack. We're gonna put it back in the shop, bro. We gotta wash it back up, bro. Yeah, man, you see that AC dripping, bro. A1, bro. AC dripping. Man, look at it. Man's leaving a puddle out here, for sure. Y'all see it, man. Y'all see this bit, bro. Coming out of Navarre, Florida. Fort Walton, Florida, bro. Leaning on the bags. Both of them daily drivers, bro. Both of these dudes daily drive their squad trucks, bro. Let me know what you daily drive your squad truck. Me personally, I gotta have me a little trap, man. I can't daily drive a squad truck, but bro, I ain't gonna lie. Salute to them. Salute to both of them, bro. Make sure y'all go follow them on Snap and that gram, man. Make sure y'all go follow that boy, man. Hey, bro, salute to y'all, bro. Y'all be really sliding these trucks out here for sure, bro. Y'all be sliding daily drivers for sure. That's crazy. Bro, I appreciate y'all, bro, for sure, man. Y'all be easy on that road, bro. Y'all be safe.
I was a young nigga, I thought I was grown. Setting traps, strapped in them traps, just like Home Alone. I don't need no nigga with me, I go alone. Can't no nigga hit me, I don't be talking on the phone. Pull up in that drop, I press one button, I be gone. Cross my back like V-Long, made my heart turn to chrome. Grab them Glocks, put switches on. No, we don't make this song. One time, let's get it on.
Will he
You ain't
scrape
get home, we
y'all?
don't get along.
Ooh, too smooth with it. I see you, bro.
Shit we seen and we can't say. I got shit put in that bank, but I got shit put in my safe. I pay niggas to keep me safe, but I'm still gon' spray. Gotta play it safe. Shout out my niggas that made it spray. Shout out my niggas that made it way. And all my bugs spraying raid. Way play, way late. And we spraying wherever we go. We already sprayed, way stay. Mom nigga already was made. Rich as hell, I already made it.
Hey, zombie high. Real geek boy shit, I need a zombie girl. Real rockstar geeked up, bitch. Never go to sleep. Walk the world on geeked on G6. I keep a gun of 3. Walk nigga.